Hello, good morning. Today is Wednesday, May 27, 9:37 in the morning. This is just a before video of this model right here, which I also happened to see on eBay, going for $150 plus $75 shipping. And I just thought I'd mention that. It looks like this in the back. It takes 6D batteries. This is just a before video. Before I try to clean it and such, but I won't be doing that anytime soon. But I just wanted to put it out there that I have this model, and it will be for sale soon, sometime, I don't know. But it takes 60 batteries. You can put your cassettes back here to hold them, carry them about like I've done here. And this does have, let's see here, this does have, you try and balance all this, this does have auxiliary, has auxiliary microphones, auxiliary or phono, even has a phono ground plug. What is that? DC input, AC input. What is that? Headphone jack, your OS oscillation switch, your headphones, your microphones. Okay, so all that. And then we have, what do we have here? We have your power on-off switch, your volume, your tone, high-low, your balance. Then we have your, what is this? Auxiliary tape radio, normal or chrome for either deck, normal, chrome, or metal. Then you have dubbing, continuous play, your FM stereo, AM, FM, like that. And you have a mixing volume with a specific mic to it. Then you have your basic controls here for this one. Your tells you what to do. Here's your other deck like that. Let me give you an overview of it. Okay. So here's, and then we got a tape counter way down there. We didn't even look and see if that worked yet. Okay, and we've got, so now I have some dead batteries in here, or nearly dead. So if a radio doesn't work right, well, that's because the batteries are nearly dead. I want to emphasize that. So I have it turned on. Okay. Now neither deck will play, but it will fast forward, or rewind, or said that backwards. Okay, it'll do that and that, right? Let me kick that out. Let me kick this one out because this one won't show you anything. Let me just switch them over. Okay. Well, come on now. There we go. And throw this in here. Do that, and then hit play. Nothing. Okay, but it will rewind, and it will, again, I said that backwards. So you saw that work. Now I want to put this in play mode. All right. There we go. That's the that thing. All right. Get out a different phone and turn it on, and then go home, and then get that there. And we'll put in what? That. So. Come on now. There we go. Other. Come on now. I want to get out of that. There we go. Oops. Right. All the way out. Let's see. Well. Well, so that works on the, what do you call this thing? This here, one of these, like that. Just a quickie video here. It's dirty, okay? It's dirty. Needs to be cleaned, needs to be serviced. Need to find out if it's one motor, two motors, if it needs to have the belts replaced. Probably does. And see if the motors are strong enough to ensure play mode will work. Okay, so like I said, there's one on eBay for right now this week for sale. That's coming with two brand new cassettes, and then two carrying cassettes on the back like this one has. But I just wanted to show you that I have one, and it will be for sale sometime in the future. I can't say when, because I have someone else has sent me yet another radio for repair, so that'll be coming in the mail in a week or so. And it's, again, a 5-minute video, so hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. Oh, I just play the radio. Let's play the radio.
Pequeña de
There's the
AARP. El
radio.
coronavirus continúa afectándonos, especialmente a las...
That works. Did I mention it has auxiliary? So we've got, you can put it over to, I didn't bring a CD player with me because I didn't do all that, but that's all I know. So hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.